Welcome to Study Loop.
String gives us the mass of a lot of elements, and then it wants us to use these to check whether the reactions are possible or not. So the first part A, asks us to find the alpha decay of 210 polonium, and we want to see that whether it's possible or not. So let's first write out the alpha decay of polonium. Is polonium will become have an alpha particle, the helium, 42 helium, and then what is left. So if we check the mass in this reaction, the mass is mass of 210 polonium minus mass of 206 P minus mass of helium. The mass is 5.81 times 10 to the negative 3 U, or if we convert it to the energy, because we do carries, I think it's 1 MeV, but if we plug in the conversion factor of energy is 5.41 MeV. So the energy of the particle is of this reaction is 5.41 MeV. And then part B asks us to check whether 210 is energy stable with respect to emitting a proton. So if it emits a proton, the amount of energy we have is 210, 84. It becomes now 09 because a proton carries mass. Actually 83 because it also carries an atomic number, plus proton is a hydrogen atom. And if we get the mass, delta mass equals m, again, initially it's polonium as its product 20984 PO, 283 minus the mass hydrogen atom be negative 5.35 times 10 to the negative 3. So because it's smaller, this reaction is actually unfavorable, so this reaction is not possible. Part us to check emitting a neutron. So again, we can write out the reaction is 210, 84 ton, 209, 84 proton plus neutron. And then if again we calculate the mass is negative 8.22 times negative 3. U is also smaller than 0, so this is not possible. Then we look at D. D says, is this possible for this element to go through a beta minus decay, and E says, is this possible for this to go through a beta plus decay? Okay, so for beta minus decay, 84 potassium become an electron and 210, 85 AT, as opposed to plus decay become have polonium and mass of 283 di. And then in both, if we calculate the delta mass is going to be and 0. So these reactions, B to E reactions are possible. So only possible rate is an alpha decay.